Very happy today. Another package has reached my house. So let's open it up. Well, this is some very nice facsimile comic books. Well, last time I always think that retro books are damn nice. Personally, I really like those this kind of retro art styles, and that's why facsimile is like a very perfect thing for me to buy. But I didn't bought them because I think that the story might not my cup of tea, because mostly they are like Marvel, Superman. I didn't really read much Marvel, Superman, Batman kind of, comic books. But yeah, this is a Marvel series, but it's something that I love, something that I like, and I watched their movies when I was a kid, and I played their games. I cannot remember some, and I got read their stories in an age, I believe. So now I'm gonna show you what is it. One of the most famous series. Oh, wait a minute. Out there. One of the most famous brands. One of the most famous superhero team. One of the most famous colorful people. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, not bad. That looks nice. Can take away the box. Nicely wrapped in the bubble wrap. Yep. Let's go. I think some of you have seen the side accidentally shown you what's here. Let's go. Oh yeah. King size annual Avengers. This looks cool. Oh, I bought this because of this team. The Uncanny X-Men. Okay, put it aside. What's this? Oh, this is a free book. That looks cool, man. Wow. Thanks. I'll read it later. Oops. Okay. Wow. You see, this is the issue 4 of the X-Men. One of the earliest, featuring the return of the dreaded Magneto. But this book's kind of like, not that pretty, I would say. Yeah, mine's fine. I'm fine with this. The next one is 244, issue 244. I believe this is the first appearance of Jubilee. I don't know how to pronounce the name. I guess so. Jubilee. Wolverine, Storm, Colossus. Oh, I forgot her name. Sorry. The Uncanny X-Men 129. Save us from the Knights of Hellfire. Let me see how nice the cover are. Yeah, and this is, I believe it's by Jim Lee. Oh damn, the book is not enough for the book. The book is kind of wide, I would say. See, maybe I need to put another back for it. I mean another board. Ooh. Wolverine, Captain America, Black Widow together again for the first time. If it's the first time, why do you put again? I don't get it. Oh my, it's cool. Here comes the first issue. Here comes how X-Men is started. This is pretty. Iceman, the Cyclops. I believe this is Jean, right? The Beast and the Angel. Magneto. Nice. And here comes the crazy Dark Phoenix Saga. This is cool. This is one of the key issues, I believe. So glad they made it to be in facsimile version so I can buy it. And the New Mutants. First appearance of Deadpool. Not sure is it Gideon and Domino. I think it's their all of their appearance, but Deadpool is the most famous among them. Oh my god. I really hope that Marvel will release them all in the facsimile version. I really love it. Yeah. The days of future past, right? One of the best story written. I mean, I never read it. I haven't read it, but I watched the movie. It's not bad, not bad. I believe the comics will be much better. I hope. I mean, the Mighty Marvel Backlist. What's this? Let's take a look. Oh yeah, Civil War is going to have the facsimile edition too. Maybe, but I think I'm not getting it. I'm more into X-Men. Here comes the next issue of the Everybody Dies Sentinel. This is cool, man. Damn cool. Yeah, you know, see how nice the details of this gun is. Yo. Magneto. Gambit. Oh yeah. I still got the first appearance of Gambit here. Let's go. This is so cool. Enter the mutant called Gambit. Last one, which is the starting point of the all new or different X-Men. Ho, giant size. They are definitely much thicker than all of them. Such nice. Okay. So here's all my purchases of the X-Men facsimile issues. I hope that they will release all. I mean, it will be very hard, but I really hope I will buy all of them. I mean, the X-Men. Definitely, I will buy all of them. That's so nice. I mean, just the Chris Claremont era, please. I mean, there are a lot of side stories other than just the Uncanny X-Men. You got like the New Mutants, you got the Excalibur, right? There are like so many other things, so it will be very hard to really let them to print everything. But if all of this, if this sells, I think there might be a very big chance can be reprinted, right? So let's take a look in this. This is, I believe, issue 3 of the Hulk. Issue 3. It's a second printing. Okay. Hey, this looks cool, man. Whoa, who's this? The Hulk. Bzz. And Wolverine. I actually didn't know why the Hulk is always fighting Wolverine. I mean, since a very long time ago, their issues, I saw them in the covers. They're always coming out together. They are like a pair of partners. That is so cool. Like a cross up with the Avengers. Really hope one day in the movie universe they can get together. Okay, I think that's all for this unboxing. I still got like 10, around 10 or 8, I forgot already. 8 more facsimile of X-Men on the way. Definitely I'll buy. I will make another video for that when they reach my home. So that's all for now, and let's leave a comment, like you can say whether you think Marvel will release them all facsimile version of every issue or just all the key issue. I believe maybe just the key, but come on, the Uncanny X-Men, every issue is the key issues, right? So okay, see you all in the next one. Bye bye.